guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a different type of video. It's gonna be like a vlogging style kind of video. Today I'm just gonna be getting some homework done and you're gonna be with me. So what time is it? It is 5:41 and I've not done homework all day. I've been doing other stuff, but that's besides the point. And yeah, I have some beat board homework to do. I'm kind of excited about this project only, but I'm also kind of nervous because I have so much to do. Let's just see how much I get done today, honestly. So yeah, come with me and do some homework with me.
Yeah. I love homework.
So the beat board project. These are my rough sketches, and I recently had a meeting. I don't know why my computer's so loud. Like, this is not a Windows computer. Calm down. I don't know why that. What was I saying? Okay, so I recently had a meeting with my teacher, and basically she gave us some pointers, and basically I'm behind, I need to catch up, blah blah blah. I know that, but I need to work on my camera angles, so I'm gonna do some research on that because she really wasn't really helpful with that. You know what, we're just gonna start over. So recently, I don't know if it was just this year or if I've done this the past few years I've been in college, but I've been having trouble like focusing and actually staying focused. It's not even me being on my phone. I mean, that's part of the reason, but like other reasons, I just like be daydreaming, I would just like be doing something, just like looking off of space. But I discovered this method called I'm looking at my computer, the Pomodoro method, and it's actually been helping. I definitely made progress. This is my final sketch. This is my very, very rough sketch. You can see a difference for sure. But I need to
Pick up the pace.
okay, now I'm gonna work on this one, and he is stealing vodka from Dashinka's cupboard. She told me to change the camera angle. I am so tired. I don't feel like doing no more work. Well, hello. It is now morning time, and every morning I have to make a cup of green tea, or I would just not function right at all. I'm finally editing this video at the end of November, and I recorded it months ago, September, I don't know. The only thing that I remember is really struggling on this project. It was a challenge and definitely out of my comfort zone, but I had a great time exploring character design, backgrounds, and working on this project. I could honestly see myself doing this like at an animation studio. I really enjoyed seeing everything come together. Looking back now, I have to say that my favorite part was exploring character design, because usually I don't draw male characters, and playing around with like the different facial expressions were like my favorite part of the project. Alright, so I really had to buckle down and pick up the pace, so I stopped filming a little bit and I started screen recording and on and off. This is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and I'm working. This is the seventh. I just finished this one. I'm so tired of this. What time is it? Almost 11. I need a break. I'm tired of staring at this screen. 15. At this point, I was finished with all my sketches and was putting the sketches in order so I could see what everything looked like all together. Actually ended up putting the sketches out of order, colored them, turned them in just like that. And then even after critiques of the final project, no one noticed that they were out of order, and most of us had the same story, which was a plus, but also like, why did no one notice? But ended up changing it after critiques and turning it in, but I will get to that later. Usually I would be at work at this time, but I took off from work because I was just really overwhelmed. I finished 15 sketches of my beat board, but now I have to stop doing that and do other homework that is due today. And today is Monday, and I have 2 assignments due. One from last week that I didn't get a chance to do, and one that's due this week. So she didn't check it, so I still have to do it. So that's what I'm gonna do, and they're both traditional, not digital. But I'm gonna sketch them out digital and then print it off because I feel like I work faster doing digital art. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. This first assignment, it was a very fun, creative, interesting one. She gave us letters, which were L, X, S, and V, and we had to incorporate the letters into a drawing. It was challenging at first when I couldn't really think of anything, but then I thought about something, found a reference photo, and then you just drew it out. And recently I've been really enjoying using ink, so I decided to use pens for this assignment. It was either pens or markers. Yeah, so this is my bedroom that I had to do for one of my classes, the class I'm in right now. I love how it turned out, even though I didn't get a chance to show her everything. I'm still gonna submit it and say like bedroom updated or whatever, but she still gave me an A+, so. And the other one I did, which is here, she gave me an A on this too, so I did it at the last minute, the very last second. And I submitted at the last second, and I still got an A+. So, finally got to the coloring part. This was actually one of my favorite parts. We only had to color 4 out of the 15 drawing, which was boy, was I happy that we only had to color 4. Because I was like, oh my gosh, we had to color 15 images, but it won't. It was only 4. So that was such a relief because I was just like not having it at all. But we did have to color the rest in grayscale, which was super easy. But other than that, this is the point where I realized that the sketches or drawings were out of order, and I was like, oh snap, they out of order. This is actually after I already turned in the project because I just turned in the project unfinished, and then I decided to finish it after the project, which is good. She gives us 2 chances to turn it in, which is great for people like me. This was my first major project in this class, and I really enjoyed it. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the process of not only this project, but the last project. So thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!